Hey all, we're here at Potawatomi Hotel and Casino. We're playing Ultimate Firelink Riverwalk. This is the reason we're playing it. We're playing 10-cent denomination. A little lower limit session. Mega's almost 18,000. I mean, it's pretty high. The other progressives are low. The major starts at 2,500, so that was hit recently. Volume is cranked, $20 a spin. 3 free games in the middle, 4 fireballs. Get this where we want to be. Those candles are wild. Lots of those can be nice. They usually come in bunches. Let's see what we can do. $110 there. Nothing crazy. How are you? That's awesome. Are you winning today?
I just got here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is the bunch to play. These are the ones.
Yeah, I'm a big fan.
You like the Dragon Link? Oh, man.
I've won like 75 jackpots.
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Do you play that or no?
Dragon Link sometimes. If there's a higher
When it's 18,000.
grand will go up, yeah, and then I don't win it. So.
See, and I tried that. The lightning link?
Yep.
I love the Vegas one, but it doesn't. Is it still at 10,000 downstairs?
I hit this last night, I'll show you.
Oh, it did?
Well,
You hit it?
I didn't. I hit this.
I can't see with all my cheaters.
Oh, 9,500.
Nice! Good job!
The whole thing was like 12,000.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
I've never hit that high.
Yeah.
Most ever won is 5,000 on the dollar machine. Or the cash machine. You know what I'm talking about?
That's pretty good too. Yeah.
I've hit 1,000 many times, but.
Yeah. Thank you. You too. Yeah. Not doing much here. I have not had the best luck on this machine, except for the time I hit the major at $1. I had really good luck that day. Shouldn't you be downstairs playing the Lightning Link? Go win another grand or what? Shouldn't you be downstairs playing the Lightning Link? Go win another grand? I know, I remember you. That's okay. That's.
Okay.
Why did YouTube kick you off last night?
Oh, that was. I have my own suspicions of with another channel, I think, trolling me and reporting me for something. They're saying it's because of online gambling, which obviously wasn't happening. But yeah, I got it all taken care of. So.
My wife was devastated.
Yeah, you tell me, because I couldn't go back on. If I could go back on, I could have been banned for a week if I would have gotten in trouble again. So I just said I'll let it go for a while. But I'm all good now, so. Yeah, good seeing you guys. Yeah, good luck. Yeah, guys, I don't know when I'm going to post this, but last night YouTube kicked me off, canceled my stream, took down my video. What was that about? $20 a spin, moving it back up. 10 cents is the one you want to play if you want to win big. That mega is humongous. It changes at every single one. You can bet $2 at 10 cents. If you play it, but you play whatever you want. Yeah, so 20 would be $2, or there's $4. But that's all I'm saying is that mega is really big, it's ready to go. People win it at smaller bets, but play whatever you're comfortable with, for sure. So. Yeah, I tell my viewers all the time. So this game, anytime you change the denomination, 1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, $1, it always changes what everything is on top. It's always different up there. We'll play some dollar here. The minor's high, everything else is low. Guys, let's see if we can get something. We'll let my friend next to me get the mega on the 10 cent. $30 a spin. $40 here. Two of them. Be nice, Ultimate Firelink. $20 a spin. We're gonna change it here. Not seeing anything on this. Not being nice today. Almost got it there at 10 bucks. We're gonna put almost 1,000 in, so we're in for just under 2,000, $40 here. That's a big one. $50 a spin. Three of them there. Three again. Come on. There you go. Let's follow suit on our side. We need 4 fireballs, 3 free games. Come on. $20. Back to 40. $50. There we go. Getting close to anything here. It's not bad, 500 there. Brought us out of the hole a little bit. You're down 50 cents on the session. 74 bucks. 95, 99.50. $40 to spin. Here we go. Nice. Give us the fireballs. Do something. 2 of them. There we go, guys. So $40 bonus game here. We're at $480 to start. Let's get crazy. That miner's pretty big. Hey there. Good, how are you? All right, the mini's up there. $200 on the next row. $200, all right. One more gets us another 200 and closer to the next ones, all right. So 2 more will get us another 240. 1 more now. Come on. 4,000 up high. That's the biggest ball I think you can get. The biggest fireball you're gonna see. I have a feeling it's going to poop out here and that's going to be it. Yep. Sometimes when those really big ones fall so early, it's just sort of a tease. No hand pay here. $1,100. Still down on the session. We're going to keep going a little bit more. Come on. That would have been nice. Here we go, guys. $1,100. We're still down. $500 on this session. We'll keep going, though. Come on. No. Money back on that one. Like I said, that miner is pretty big here. That would be very nice. There we go, guys. $40. Bonus round, 3 games. Let's see what happens. Oh no, this is a fun one. I do like this one. I'm sorry, it's like China Street. I take it all back. Okay, guys, I normally do the mystery games, but I'm gonna do it again. Here we go. And it was actually pretty good. 15 with 5, 8, or 10. That's huge. This could be a big one. We just need last spin. Oh, you got it. All right. We need a wild with a line hit, and it'll pay a lot. $100, 5X. That's okay. I got all excited, and we're not getting anything yet. $160 there. 8X on that one. 6 games left. All it takes is one really good line hit on this. And it could be huge. 480 there. That's an 8X. That's okay. Three games left here. Come on. 2 left. Give us a big one. I spoke too soon. $820. Not very good. All right, we're 13 minutes in. We're going to keep going a little bit more. Back to back. Ooh, that would have been nice. So we're about even right now. Let's do this. Let's go back to 10 cents. And remember what we have up high here, okay? We're going to go real hard here. We're going to do a $20 a spin. See if we can get something here. Never know in this game though. I mean, you get these free games and you think you're gonna kill it. If you don't get the wilds incorporated with any line hits, you really get nothing. So we got 2 bonus games at the $1 denom, and we were not able to do anything with that yet. Or anything with it at all. Let's do some quick spins at $10. Mini shows up. Back to 20. Two of them. 3 quick spins here. I'm gonna do some more. Those are decent numbers. We're gonna just do some of these lower ones here. I'm just moving around. I just want to get something to hit here. There you go. Three of them at $10. 20 bucks. Do it. 3 of them. Come on. 210 there, that's not so bad. Alright guys, we have a little one there, $170. We're starting out on a 10-cent denomination. Fireball bonus. Let's see what we can do. All little numbers. There would be a $2,000 ball that could pop out, but we'll see. One spin left. Don't stop. Be nice. That was nice. All right, there's a minor up there. That's at 440.29. You guys cannot see it. That's it. That's a little one. All right, $370 on that $20 bonus. Small, tiny, itsy bitsy, but let's see what we can do here. Keep going. We have yet to get a hand pay. We've had a little bit of action in these games, though. Is she warmed up at 20 bucks now? You at $6. 10 bucks. $20 again. $145. 3 of them. Don't talk about it, and we get it. All right. Mystery again. All right, we're not. We're gonna pick something here. I think I'm going to go with 7. I like 7. No, 10. I'll do 10. We'll do 10. I usually don't do that, but I'm getting weird looks next to me if I would have picked mystery again. I'm just kidding. I know. I'm just teasing. Free games could re-trigger this. We got 5 left here. $325 there. 3 left. Last one, nothing. Come on, $515. Another bonus round. Kings going across, 5 of them. Quick $10 ones here. All right, $10. We're at, what are we at? 8, 11, $120. Let's see what we can do. Nothing going on up high yet. $50 ball there, not too bad. $50 more if we can get one more, plus what's on the next fireball. $100 up high in the right corner. All small numbers here for the most part. That's $600 up high. That's not bad. One more will get us there. All right, not the worst. Where's the rest of these now? Give us something with writing on it. That's what I want to see. That's it. All right, not a Handpay here, but this is a decent one. I'll take it. Just underneath. So $1,065. So we're in for $2,000 on this game, guys. I'm going to get a ticket that's going to spit out right now for $1,065. So we're up. There we go. We're up about $850 on this 23-minute session with no hand pays. We tried hard to get that mega. We were unsuccessful, but we were profitable, so we're gonna take it. I'm gonna do you guys a favor. I'm gonna do one quick backup spin so I don't get yelled at. And we're gonna move on, live to play another day with $850 more in our pocket. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Find me on Facebook. That's very important. I need you to do that. Give this video a thumbs up. Help me start getting these videos going viral. It is up to you guys to make that happen. I'm doing my job, now you do yours. You guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day if I post this in the morning.